Otumpulanya jishubo Otumpulu mamje mono Abeki no mwamo Bia Kedo jisirapo mono Wena bamo Abeki no mwamo Bia Abeki no mwamo Bia Mama na bogio biasa numero kumwamo Mama na bogi biasa numero kumwamo Nne na bogi mwao biasa numero kumwamo Biasa numero kumwamo Biasa numero kumwamo Anyam Guards! Where are they? Where have you been? Guards! Where have you people been? Where were you? An invader came here to kill me. An invader?
We heard some strange noise outside.
You heard some strange
So we went to check it.
You heard some strange noise? He tricked you people and he came here to kill me.
What is it?
Son, this criminal came in here to kill me. I came out to ease myself over there and he sneaked in from there.
Is he still alive?
No, but he is unconscious.
But let's kill him and finish him before he wakes up in the morning.
No, don't. You don't kill like that. No, he's a total stranger. We have to establish who he is, who sent him, what is the mission.
What if he wakes up in the morning to finish it off?
I have his sword, I have this, you have that. The guards are here. This is a royal issue. It's a very serious issue. Guards, get a big rope. Tie him up, his limbs, hands and legs, and dump him in the cell. Tomorrow morning, we shall know where he came from, what his mission is, and judgment shall be passed. Go. Son.
My people. They say a snake seen by one person easily turns to a huge python. That is why I invited you all to join me to witness this abomination that happened in my compound last night. This criminal you're looking at invaded my compound with a big sword to kill me.
Hey!
You want to?
He actually went into my room, not knowing that I came out to ease myself. Hey! I overpowered him.
Go the chamber!
And we caught him.
Go the chamber! Dikeh UMUKABIA!
There was. No, as you can see, we have dealt with him. But he is stubborn. He has refused to confess. We don't know who he is. We don't know who sent him. And we don't know his mission.
Hi. Motive.
Hi. You're welcome.
Igwe, you must talk. Yes, you must talk. Young man, who are you? Where did you come from? And what were you doing? What is your mission?
I will not say anything.
That's what we're going to do.
then you shall die. Yes. You shall be taken to the Ajofia forest. You shall be hung upon the Ngbu tree until you die or get devoured by wild animals. Idiot!
It doesn't matter how I die. Death is death. I will not say anything. That is the oath I took with the person that sent me. I cannot break it.
I can make him confess.
Okachi, did you say that?
Just give me your permission.
Go ahead. Go ahead. You have my permission.
Wait for me. I'll be right
Don't
back.
say anything. You don't know anything.
Wait for
Will
me.
you shut up? Keep quiet. I will not say. Iga Hushianya again. I will not say anything.
Guards!
I'm Monica Tegu. Chinedu Zeko is the one that sent me to kill the Igwe. That contacted me to kill the Igwe. Chinedu Zeko.
Who is Chinedu Zeko?
He is Prince Amandi's friend.
Hey. Prince Amandi?
He said he wants to become the Igwe since Ebuka has died. He said he wants to become the Igwe.
Wait. Did you say my son Prince Amandi Aneze is part of this?
Yes, Igwe. They say that I should kill you. That it doesn't look like you will die now or anytime soon. So that I should come and kill you. So that you will become the Igwe by all means. I am the one that shot Ebuka, your son. Hey! Igwe, I'm sorry. Igwe, I'm sorry. This is my first time, Igwe. Where are we family?
Where is Prince Amandi? Where is Amandi?
Woman, where is your son?
I don't know. He was here right now.
Look, that way. He went that way.
Then go get him! Go get him!
Go get him! Go!
He is the one that contacted the person that contacted me.
Yes. Put it down. Put it down. Evil son.
It was my mother. It was my mother that convinced me to kill him. It was not me. It wasn't my intention.
Hey! No! When did I ask you to kill the Igwe, my husband? When?
We're not the one that said I'll be the next Igwe. That my father will not allow Ebuka to take the throne because he hates his mother. Is that not what you told me? I discovered that after Ebuka died, that the only thing standing in my way is my father to be the next king. And he has enjoyed the throne enough. I thought it was my time.
I said so! So that Igwe will confirm you priest and king in waiting.
We're not the one that told me to get a wife to qualify to be Igwe. Is that not what you told me?
How does that mean killing the king?
Hey!
Oh. Ikuku eko na anya afu ni ike okuko. The wind has blown and we have all seen the endings.
So you are the one that pushed your son to kill me. Hey! So that both of you will take over my throne.
Didn't you tell me you were deliberately delaying his marriage so that he will not be crowned prince anytime soon?
Shut up, you evil woman! Shut up! How dare you say such a thing in the public? What did I tell you any of these things?
King, don't worry. We have had it already. Yes, don't worry.
Hey, Ebuka.
That is your son.
Hey! Hey!
Hey! The gods be praised. The gods be praised. Hey!
Hey! Ebuka! Ebuka! You are alive. Ebuka is alive.
Ewo! Have you seen how the gods can do marvelous things?
Sit down.
Hey! Bring him to the king!
Bring him!
Bring him to the king!
Bring him!
Hey!
Bring him!
Don't.
Go! Please go! Go, Ebuka! Go!
Hey!
Let's go! Hey! Because let's go! No.
Ebuka!
No. Somehow, I found my way to Chinelo's place. She took me and hid me in a secret hut in UMUKABIA forest. There she treated me and nursed me. But I am surprised about what I am seeing. Today, I decided to brave it home.
You're welcome. Elola.
Odogu.
Nah. Help me to thank Chinelo and her mother. Her mother was very angry when Chinelo brought me to her hut. But later, her mother was so angry the very moment she brought me to her hut. But later, she joined in nursing and sustaining me.
You are welcome home, my friends. You are welcome home. UMUKABIA has missed you.
No. Son, you're welcome.
What is going on? Why is my brother on the ground?
This one, Prince Ebuka. This one went and hired a criminal to come and eliminate your father, the king. Just because his greed wants him to become the king in waiting. To become the king of UMUKABIA.
Yes, your brother hired this criminal to kill me so that he would become king. He believed that you were already dead, so he will also eliminate me and take over everything.
Yes.
He conspired with his mother.
This was the man that shot me.
He has confessed.
Yes. He already confessed. He sent him.
So, Amande, you wanted to eliminate a father and his son just because you want to be a king? The question is, what kind of king would you have become?
Ebuka, it was not my intention. It was my mother. It was my mother. She said I will be the next king. Ebuka, please. It's not.
Ma, after all your failed attempts to poison my son, yet you embarked on this one.
What failed attempt?
You think I did not know, right? 2 times you had poisoned my son's food. It seems you've forgotten something. You forgot that I am the daughter of Ajulaka, the great herbalist that fought with 7 evil spirits and came out
I know you.
Look at you. Look at the shame you brought upon yourself. Whoever that gave you this name, Mazurao, was wrong. Your name should be Njozuraho.
Njozuraho? That is what you are.
There is evil around you. Shame on you.
My queen, it is okay. You know, this has become a very serious family issue.
Very serious.
We have to be very wise. Guards, you will have to leave us now. Tell the villagers who are lurking outside there that they should all go home. The king will address them later on. Please, guards, leave us. Hey! Amandia Neze! Fear!
Adak, take my daughter-in-law and the mother, get them in there and take good care of them.
You're welcome. My UMUKABIA is proud of you.
The land of no return.
You have done this, son.
Oh no, I thank you. I thank you very much. My Lolo, thank you. Mbadiwe, have you seen that I have no hands in what happened to my son? Contrary to some suspicions.
Maybe. But you instigated it. Yes, the woman and her son took you from you. You caused the whole thing. And for your information, stop calling Chukwuebuka your son. He is not your son, he is my son. Yes, he is my son. And he remains my son until we take the oath as agreed.
Mbadiwe, are you still talking about that matter?
I don't understand. What are you people talking about? I'm confused.
No, me too. I am confused. Okay, Mezi.
Father, what is going on here?
Ask Mbadiwe. I don't know what he's talking about.
The reason the king hated you and your son is because he suspected that you and I were lovers. And that I fathered Chukwuebuka.
What? What? How? But how come you never told me? Why?
I had wanted to keep it to myself, handle it alone. Until recently, a lot of things began to come up.
Igwe, was it not you that told me when we got married that Mbadiwe was best of your uncles? That is the only one you trusted and confided in. When did you turn around to start suspecting him?
My Lolo, please forgive me. I am very sorry. It was not my original idea. It is that evil woman, Mma. She's the one that put it into my head. She was telling me something about that you and Mbadiwe have something going. She repeated it over and over until I started believing it. I'm so ashamed of myself now. Ebuka, my son, I am very sorry for the pain and humiliation that I caused you all this year. You are truly a great son. Yes, a great son worthy to be a king. Please forgive me, please.
Father, inasmuch as I have been through pains, am still going through pain. You are my father. I forgive you. I mean, we are humans. We make mistakes.
Thank you, son. But this mistake is too much. It's too much, and I feel so bad. In fact, I feel like dethroning myself now and let you take over immediately.
Hey, Igwe. Eh? It has not gotten to that.
That is not necessary, Father. You are still our king, and you will continue to be our king.
Thank you. Thank you, son. Please help me beg your mother. I can't even look her in the face anymore. What I put her through is unimaginable.
Igwe, my joy is that the truth is finally out. My father once told me that as long as you do not wish anybody evil, evil will stay far away from you.
Wise woman.
You're still my king, my lord, and my crown.
My father was correct. You're a strong and wise woman. Oh, please come here.
May the gods of our land be praised.
Mazuraho, whatever you call yourself, you and your vagabond son are hereby banished from this compound and from this community for 7 years.
Igwe!
If you are seen anywhere around UMUKABIA within this period, you will regret ever knowing me. Guards! Ikoro! You and Okute, take them to the border between UMUKABIA and Umuduru, and they must not look back on the way. You are not worthy to be called my son. You conspired to kill me. Go away.
But please. Igwe.
As for you,
Igwe, please forgive me. I'm the only son.
as for you, shut up! As for you, Obumma, Gesina Mana. Obwebwe, Gesina Bana. He who kills with the sword shall die by the sword. God, take him back to the cell room until I and my cabinet decide his fate.
If I'm the only son.
UMUKABIA, UMUKABIA, Okwano kalia nofe Okenyeli yafo Atachagoda kitano Okwu ife siri n'ọkụ na-eju afọ Obuli bakata fa bisio Kama obo nelelo UMUKABIA,